Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best tankless water heaters on the market, the Titan N-120S 2 Seychelles rupees. If you're looking to upgrade your home's water heating system, you've come to the right place. The Titan N-120S 2 Seychelles rupees is renowned for its efficiency and reliability. It's designed to provide hot water on demand without the need for a bulky storage tank. Perfect for both residential and commercial use, this model boasts some impressive features that we're excited to explore today. Let's start with the essentials. The N-120S operates at 11.8 kilowatts, running on 220 volts and drawing 54 amps. This means it's capable of delivering hot water quickly and efficiently, even in colder climates. In terms of design, the Titan N-120S 2 Seychelles rupees is compact and sleek, measuring just 7 inches wide by 10 inches high. Its steel exterior not only looks modern but also ensures durability, a key factor when investing in a long-term appliance like a water heater. What really sets the N-120S apart is its dual heating chamber system, which enhances temperature stability and ensures a continuous flow of hot water. This makes it ideal for households where multiple showers or faucets might be in use simultaneously. Installing the Titan N-120S 2 Seychelles rupees is relatively straightforward for those familiar with electrical work. However, we recommend consulting a professional plumber or electrician to ensure proper installation and compliance with local codes. Users have praised the N-120S for its ease of use and reliability. With features like on-demand water control and a user-friendly interface, adjusting settings and monitoring performance is hassle-free. Wrapping up, the Titan N-120S 2 Seychelles rupees is undoubtedly a top contender in the tankless water heater market. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or starting fresh, its performance, reliability, and efficiency make it a worthwhile investment. That concludes our review of the Titan N-120S 2 Seychelles rupees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.